Since 1972, we have produced 65,000 trucks here at our factory in Wacol, Brisbane, and that is a milestone that we are extremely proud of. I'm Martin Merrick, and I'm the President and CEO of Volvo Group Australia. Australia is the ultimate testing ground for trucks. Heavier loads, longer distances and extreme temperatures. We are an Australian company that we build Australian trucks for Australian conditions. 50 local engineers design and build trucks that are unique for the Australian conditions but individually tailored to each customer needs. What really makes us unique is our local base with our engineering, purchasing and manufacturing. People are sometimes surprised to hear that we manufacture Volvo and Mack trucks here in Australia. And at the same time, they're also surprised to hear that we more than assemble trucks here. We actually build trucks, manufacture trucks, which what we say is a full part number factory, which means that we use the local supply chain with approximately 90 local suppliers. We design, manufacture and build trucks here. The Australian-made logo is iconic and it delivers a powerful message. We have to go through our extremely robust third-party accreditation to achieve this fantastic certification. Manufacturing our trucks here in Australia really does give us an advantage. End to end, we can see the full customer journey. We have the skills and resource here in our local base. And speaking to our customers, they are extremely proud to buy Australian made.